What's up everyone? RedVizon. You know when you're gaming and you're just not wanting to put the controller down for long, you want some s'mores or a late night snack? Well, today I'm going to show you how to do it. 3 simple ingredients: graham cracker, chocolate, marshmallow. Now of course you don't want to do this in an environment that's going to set your house on fire, so if you got a bunch of flammables around, do it in a safe environment, have a fire extinguisher by. Kids, don't do this at home without adult supervision. Now, that being said, adults, put a marshmallow on a fork, lighter. I like to get the marshmallow going, and then just let it sit there and cook, baby. Let it sit there and cook. So, as the marshmallow heats up, I got my graham cracker, my chocolate. I'm just gonna set my marshmallow down, use my other graham cracker to pull it off so I don't burn myself. Without leaving my gaming station, ready to rock and roll, I got a s'more. And now you can too, in less than 2 minutes. Enjoy, be safe, enjoy. RedVizon out.